Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I will show you how to install ADB and SDK platform tools. So let's get started. First, open Chrome. Then, search for Download ADB and SDK platform tools. Open the Android developers website. Scroll down and click the download button according to your operating system. Scroll down again, accept the terms and conditions, and click the download button. Once the download is complete, extract the zip file. Then, copy the extracted folder and paste it into the C drive. After that, open the folder. Copy the folder path. Go to the desktop, right-click on this PC, and select Properties. Click on Advanced System Settings. Then, click on Environment Variables. Select Path and click Edit. Click New, paste the copied path, and click OK. Now, open Command Prompt. Type ADB and press Enter. That's it! ADB and SDK platform tools are now installed. If this video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.